made it to Paula Dean's kitchen. There's a big table next to us, so I gotta talk a little bit louder. So breakfast is $69.99 per person, and kids are $4.99. Kids are $10.99. So we get unlimited refills on whatever we choose. So for here, you get 3 for the down-home dishes. You get 3 for the table, so you have to share amongst yourselves. They have chicken and biscuits. They have cinnamon toast crunch. They have pigs in a blanket. They have scrambled eggs. They have ooey gooey butter pancakes. Everyday breakfast casserole. For the meats, you only get to pick one. You get a black peppercorn bacon, a country ham, sausage links, and applewood smoked center cut bacon. And then you get treats. You get 2 of them. You get casserole, fried potatoes, biscuits and gravy, cheesy grits, and fresh fruit. And then on top of that, you get to pick your drinks. Obviously wine and beer, and then you get your tea, which would be flavored Georgia peach, strawberry lemonade, which Amber loved last time, and blueberry lemonade. No, you got the strawberry, yeah. That's what you got last time. So, unlike Branson, this is a different atmosphere. So, Amber was saying this is a 2-story restaurant, so you can look out. All right, and then they brought us some cinnamon rolls. I think it has some raisins. Yeah, I think everything's the same. And then you have the syrup. So we just ordered our food. Amber's really excited. I had ordered something that wasn't we hadn't agreed upon last night, and she's like, "Wait, what?" I was like, "It's fine. We'll be okay." I think it's gonna taste amazing. Yeah, I was going to get the French toast, but it had apple cinnamon, which I'm like, as I thought about it, I was like, no, I'm picky. No. There's a song called Apple Cinnamon by Utada Hikaru, and she looks away. This is the land. Oh, they're doing a water show. Yeah, this is the island. Okay, so I just got my tea, and like she really like garnished it. I don't really care for lemon, but she put like a basil leaf with it too, which is pretty cool. I've never had that before. And let's just stop and appreciate the cinnamon roll. The cinnamon roll is really good. The icing is super sweet. And Amber's awake now. She just took a drink of her lemonade. Wait, they want some. Yes. So, towards the middle, you have pecans or pecans, however you pronounce it, in your area. So if you're allergic to nuts, just know that this does have nuts in it. I don't know if they have a version that doesn't have nuts, but just know that. And Amber is tearing it up. She's like, this is delicious. Alright, so we just got our food. Yay! The bacon smells and looks amazing. The ooey gooey pancakes. Oh my god. It looks like a heart attack waiting to happen. And then you got the scrambled eggs. And then you have the fried potatoes.
Here's your fresh fruit. And then chicken and biscuits. Look at that. Right. Bon appetit.
Alright, we're checking in. So, the pancakes, they're kind of cakey. I think they used cake seasoning and buttermilk. Yeah. Yeah. Amber's telling me she thinks that the topping that you see there is more of an icing. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's like like what they use for the cinnamon rolls. The biscuits and chicken. I wish the biscuits has like a salty flavor, like a buttery flavor. It's not. It's kind of blandish, but you're combining it with the chicken, so it kind of adds a little bit. But even the chicken isn't salty, if you know what I mean. Scrambled eggs. I think these are probably the best scrambled eggs we've ever had in a long time. The potatoes they were really good. Now I think our only gripe is that we wish that we were probably a little more crispy, but that's how we like it. We like our fried potatoes a little crispy. And she hasn't tried her fruit yet, but it looks really colorful and vibrant. The bacon, OMG, everyone, delicious. But yeah, everything's top par. Would you rather eat breakfast or dinner? She says both. What am I going to do? Yeah. This was not as heavy as dinner, though. Yeah. So when we went to dinner, it was really heavy, so we had to go walk around like for 6 miles just so we could work some of it off and then drive 4 hours back to the hotel. We're about to get on the road again, but we're really excited to show you more adventures when we leave, because we're going to a place that only very few know about. Stay tuned for the next video.